This is the last of the cars that I brought to the Badlands. It's a GPtoys s920, and it's the only one that I ran on a 3S battery. Everything else was run on a stock battery. This one, the performance was a little better. And I will say, of all of the cars I ran, it's the most stable of the bunch. So anybody that wants one of these, I did overheat the motor once, but it was like 100 degrees and I was doing donuts with very minimal airflow, we'll call it. So I can't really fault the car for that. Let's go ahead and get started on this. If anybody likes it, I'm going to have all these in one playlist together since they were all run on the same day. Subscribe, forward this to a friend. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. Appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you down the road. It actually took 5 cars, but I forgot some tools, so I couldn't change the drive shaft. Okay, we're going to do the Judge now. Still has the GoPro mounted on the top, but I hadn't done any modifications to get the jiggle out of it, so we're not going to do any of that today. This is the GPtoys s920 Judge Extreme. Too old for this. That's what they tell me. Definitely one of the more stable trucks that I have. I say that just before I flip it. It's usually the way it works, right? I didn't realize there was a washout down here. I tried to drive through that washout a wee bit too fast. Huh. And I am running this on a 3-cell LiPo, just in case anybody wonders. we'll call that an end.